Okay, so here's a video of one of our main offenses we're going to try and run this year, which is basically a 5-out motion offense. So we'll call it 50 just for 5 out. This offense really builds a ton of skills in kids, and it could be the most frustrating thing at times for coaches to teach kids. But what I like, and Tony and I like about this offense, is it's going to teach them how to. Everybody has a hand of the ball, everybody has a dribble of the ball, everybody has a pass the ball, and everybody's a threat. So it doesn't really pigeonhole kids into certain positions. So the key thing here that we talk a lot about is spacing and facing, right? So we need to space the court with five in these 5 positions, and we have our similar evens on the right, odds on the left. And we're really trying to keep that middle of the court at the basket open so we can get some slashing, cutting action to the basket. Okay, so we have a few rules on this offense that we've talked about so far. One is if you get a ball screen, you immediately roll the basket, and you have to make all cuts under the basket. After that, you can see there the player filled the lane next to him. Again, we see another ball screen here, and right after that, you're going to see rotation of the action filling each spot on the court. Okay? The other thing is when you decide to pass the ball, as we did here, you have to cut to the basket as well. We want to do ball side cuts, meaning with our defender in our back pocket, right? So we can try and actually make that cut be a threat. So you can see here player 1 will now cut to the lane, right? Looking for that pass, and then everybody will fill in around after that player. So we keep our spacing here, we keep our motion flowing, we want to keep the ball moving. It's okay for the kids to dribble the ball, to create space, and to drive. Of course, we always want to score. The whole goal of this offense is our first best shot. And a couple other rules we have is if somebody dribbles at you, you cut immediately, okay? And we're looking for that. One other rule we have on this too is if you're being overplayed by a defender at the 3-point line, you immediately backdoor cut them and just keep the flow of the offense going. So we'll be working on this quite a bit with the team, so we'll have a mix of this motion offense as well as some set plays off of a slightly different set.